Everybody, it's Neil, and I got the new Apple Watch Ultra. I'm going to show you. This is just a nugget here because I already took off the band. But if you look at this band, it's just huge, and it's got this big hole on it, and the clip of it is just super weird. The way you have to do it, you have to like pull the, I don't know, you pull this thing apart somehow, and it's just super cumbersome and awkward. And I do not like this band at all. I don't like closing it. I don't know why I picked yellow. Oh, I know why I picked yellow, because then I could get the watch quicker, because otherwise the other ones were all sold out. Probably because it was so ugly. But I got these, so check this out. This is a set, and it looks like it comes with 3 these other kind of bands here. So we're gonna check this out. So, I don't know, is this green maybe? I don't know, I'm not a fan of green, but they were still cheap, so I just got a 3-pack. So let's see, and then this is blue maybe, and black maybe? I'm colorblind, so that's why I'm saying it. It looks like it's got a color, is that maybe red and then blue? I don't know, you guys can tell me in the description, but let's just see how these things look. So it goes, so let's try this on here. Let's put it on the watch. So I'm guessing if it goes on this hand like this, it'll go this way. So to put these on, if you've done it before, you just know you just slide them in, and then to get them off, you just push the little button. But let's just try this here, and then this will go like that. Well, now it's backwards. Is it gonna, oh, I put them on backwards. Kind of silly. Now it won't close correctly. So how am I gonna have to do it? So it has to go, I guess it goes the other way. Okay, it's gonna have to close like that. Let's do that. Okay, let's give this thing a try again here. So there's that. There's oh, there we go. So there, now it's on there. And now I'll put it on with my wrist. And we will try it out. So I guess you pull it tight like that, and then it wraps around and clips on. But that was pretty easy. Okay, so there we go. So now it's on there, you see. And it's a nice little fabric strap, which is good. So I can do this. And with running and stuff, I think it's gonna hold on really good. So I like it. So it's a nice little strap, and this is the black one clearly, but I could do the blue one, blue and red and whatever, or this one here. I don't know what color it's. I guess it looks something like an army green, but I'm not a fan of that one at all. But whatever, it was a 3-pack, so it came with all 3 of these, and it was like 10 or 12 or 15 bucks or something, pretty inexpensive. So I got 3 watch bands for the price of like one other one, and way cheaper than like one of these is going to cost me like 50 or 60 bucks. But these are, it is substantial, but man, it just did not work good. So I like this one, so thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.